What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network, back for another video for you guys. And today, I'm not gonna show my face because I ain't even ready yet. Right, I'm recording from home today. I'm not at the office today. I ain't dressed, so I'm not presentable. So I'm not even gonna do y'all like that and put myself on here. But what I am gonna do is answer this question from Miss April Clark Robinson because she asked. And by the way, go check out that interview that we did too. By the way, she came on for an interview one time for me, and so if you haven't watched that one already, definitely check that out after this video. But she asked me basically, how would she price a hotel if they wanted her to find housekeepers for them. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna go over how I would price that, and we're gonna jump right into it.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm back. And like I said, I'm going to answer this question. So Miss April is asking me basically how to price a cleaning job if the client wants you to find housekeepers for a hotel. So it's really quite simple, alright? For this, you won't need no square footage or anything. What I would do is I would come to the calculator, skip all of the first part that you see up here, and go straight down to the time it takes to clean the facility. So where is that at? Right here. Estimated hours to clean the facility each service. So I just plugged in 8 right here, assuming they will want somebody there 8 hours a day. Now let's say they want you to have 2 people there. So change that and put 16 then, alright? Because again, this is man hours, okay? So if they want 2 people there for 8 hours a day, that's 16 man hours, alright? They want 1 person there, then you put that at 8, alright? Or if maybe they want 9 hours or 10 hours, however many hours they want you there, you put that there, okay? So you don't have to estimate because they're going to tell you how long they want the housekeeper there, okay? So let's just say they wanted 2 people there for 8 hours a day. We're going to say you paying the people, let's say you're going to wait to pay them $13.50 an hour. And then because it's a day porter job basically, I always like to go a little bit lower on those because it's gonna be a lot of money, right? You're in there, it's 8 hours a day, you're providing a full-time job. So if they doing $13.50, then I probably would go like $23.50 on this per hour to the customer. All right. So this is what I'm paying my workers, and this is what I'm actually gonna charge the customer. All right. Let's say they want us there 5 days a week, or maybe it might even be 7 days since it's an actual hotel. Right. So let's do 7 days a week, and so this is the price. Okay. And so if you're not sure if you know like this price or not, all you gotta do is come down here to the bill analysis. That's how much it's gonna cost you. Out of this gross right here, this is what you actually gonna take home, all right, after paying this out. And this is including work overhead, payroll, taxes, and supplies is included in this this cost right here. All right, so you're looking at a 31% profit margin. Is that good enough for you? For me, that's fine. All right, so I will roll with this bid right here if this was the actual thing. So if they wanted 2 people for 8 hours a day, this is what I would charge them, all right, every single month. Now, let's just say, for instance, you're like, nah, AJ, they didn't want me to have 2 people there for a set amount of time. They just wanted me to come in there 5 days a week and clean after hours. Okay, well, bam. So basically now it's a regular commercial cleaning bid. So instead, all you got to do is go get the square footage, okay, of the area that they want clean. So let's just say that it's all hard floors. And let's just say the building is, I don't know, it says 15,000 square feet, okay? So you plug that square footage up in there. The estimated time to clean the hard floor, they're going to tell you 6 hours to do it. Then you say, okay, well, how many tums is in there? You remember tums is toilets, urinals, mirrors, and sinks. So let's just say they had 25 tums. Actually, maybe probably like 50. Let's say 50 tums, okay? Then you can see it's at 7.88 hours to clean this. So you can round this up or you can leave it there. Let's just say it's 8 hours to clean it. Now, the calculator just told you to take 7.88 hours. You got to ask yourself, you always remember this is man hours, so that's based around 1 person. So if you're going to put 2 people in there, then that means it takes 4 hours, okay? So if you ask yourself, if this thing say 8 and you're going to put 2 people in there, you got to ask yourself, can 2 people do this in 2 hours? In 4 hours? And if the answer to that is yes, then you can keep that at 8. But if you think it's going to take a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, then you can adjust this right here, right? Now, come down to your hourly pay. If your hourly workers, let's just say you want to pay your people $15 an hour this time, all right? This is what the calculator recommends that you charge the customer based off of you changing to 15. If you change to 16, this is what they recommend you to charge, all right? So let's just say we're going to pay your worker $15 an hour. We're going to leave that there, all right? And then we're going to say you're going in there 5 days a week instead of 7. And then this is what the calculator recommends that you charge. This is your overhead. This is what you're taking home, and this is your profit margin. All right. So two simple ways to do it. If they want you there for set hours, then you just take and plug in the actual time that they want you there, and multiply that by the number of people. Okay. So just double. So add how many people there. So they, again, if they wanted three people there for 8 hours a day, then you know to change that to 24. Right. All right, so that's all it is to it. But if they don't have a time that they want you there, they just want you to clean it, and you're done whenever you're done, then you can go off to the square footage method, and then let the calculator tell you how long it should take to clean. So it's really that simple, man. Hopefully this video was able to help Miss April, and then also you guys watching along. And so if you like what I just did here, you want to use this program I got up here. It's called Calculated Clean. This is the mobile app that I created, as well as a website, obviously. So you go to calculatedclean.net. You can check it out. It's actually a social network as well, so you can check out the stream and see what other people are posting, things like that. We have a commercial calculator, residential calculator, special bid calculator. It has proposals, everything. All right, so you name it is all in here. So check it out, Calculated Clean. And then also, if you want to get a free year to Calculated Clean, then why don't you go ahead and get our Cleaning Business Starter kits. All right, so if you haven't got your Cleaning Business started yet, check out cleanbiznetwork.com. That's our main site, cleanbiznetwork.com, to get your Cleaning Business Starter kit, so you can get your Cleaning Business started today. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here. Thank y'all.